Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the new recipe, Oyster Mushroom Pie. First, make sure you already have the original mushroom pie recipe. Like this. You can get this recipe from Massimo, NPC Massimo. So don't. And then after that, next just go to your stove and tap to open the cooking menu like this. And then just select the original mushroom pie recipe like this. And then after that, just simply replace the regular mushroom with oyster mushroom over here. It's already oyster mushroom. And when you're done, just simply tap on start cooking. And then just cook the pie. Like this. And okay, like this. You will see a special unlock animations the first time you cook this pie. And okay, that's how you can unlock oyster mushroom pie. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.